So we will read the problem first. Two groups are competing for the position of the board of directors of a corporation. The probability that the first and the second group will win are 0.6 and 0.4 respectively. Further, if the first group wins, the probability of introducing a new product is 0.7 and the corresponding probability is 0.3 if the second group wins. Find the probability that the new product introduced was by the second group. So I have read the problem and we will analyze the problem like this. Look here what he has given and what we have to find out. So there are two groups, A and B. Both of them are competing for the position of the board of directors of a corporation. The group A and group B, both of them are competing for that. The probability of group A winning is 0.6. The probability of group B winning is 0.4. So all that has been given in the problem. We have analyzed it. And another thing is, if group A wins, the probability of introducing the new product is 0.7. That's how we have to read this. If group A wins, the probability of introducing the new product for group A is 0.7. In the same way, if the group B wins, the probability of introducing the new product is 0.3. So that's how we have to read. Probability I given probability of I bar B, probability of I bar A. The probability of I given that B has already occurred. That's how we have to read. Probability of I given that B has already occurred. Probability of I given that A has already occurred. That A has 1 and B has 1. That's what it is. So these are the two things. That is 0.7 and 0.3. See, probability I given that A has already occurred. See, A has 1 and what is the probability of winning? 0.7. B has 1. What's the probability of introducing? 0.3. That's all. Now we have to find out this one. Look here. This is what we have to find out. See, the product has been introduced already. Look here. The product has already been introduced. What is the probability that B has 1? That's what we have to find out. Probability B bar I is different from probability B I bar, probability B bar I. See, that is the difference. So here, look here. Probability I bar A, probability I bar B. Here, probability B bar I. See, the product has already been introduced. What is the probability that B has 1? In the same way, we can find out this also, but this has not asked in the question. Both of them would be asked, but in the question, this is what has been asked. The probability the new product has been introduced. What is the probability that A has 1? So this also we can find out using a different word. We will concentrate on this because this is what we have to find out according to the problem. Now for that we have a formula here. See, P B bar I is this one. This you have to remember. This is called base formula. What is PB? We know that. Look here. PB is here. What is PI bar B? I bar B here. That is 0.3. What is P bar B? Again 0.4. Pi bar A, it is here. Pi bar A. Pi bar B, sorry. Pi bar B here, 0.3. So all those we have substituted. And finally we have to calculate 0.4 into 0.3, 0.12, 0.4 into 0.3, 0.12, plus 0.7 into 0.6 into 0.7, 0.42. See, you add up these two, you will get this one, and 0.12, 0.54. Divide both of them by, see, this can be put in the fraction form in this way. Okay, 1, 2, 12 by 54, and this is divisible by 6, 6 2s are 6 9s are, see, 6 9s are, that is 2 by 9, see, divided by 6. That's what I have written here. So this is simple. From decimal form to the fraction form we can arrive, and this is further simplified. We get 2 over 9. So this is the probability. See, the product has been introduced. What is the probability that B has 1? The probability that B has 1 is 2 by 9. So I hope you have followed the problem. Thank you.